To use Apple Pay in store, start by making sure your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have a supported card from a participating bank. You can check if your device is compatible by going to the Apple website. Next, you need to add your credit or debit card to the Wallet app on your device. To do this, open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and follow the prompts to add your card. You may be asked to verify your card details with your bank. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay in store. To do this, look for the contactless payment symbol at the checkout. This symbol indicates that the store accepts contactless payments. When you are ready to pay, hold your device near the contactless reader with your finger on the Touch ID or double-click the side button for Face ID. You will see a prompt on your device asking you to confirm the payment. If you have multiple cards added to the Wallet app, you will need to select the card you want to use. You can do this by opening the Wallet app and selecting the card before you make the payment. You will know the payment has been successful when you see a check mark on the screen and hear a beep. You may also receive a receipt from the store. It is also important to note that you do not need to wake your device or open an app to use Apple Pay. As long as your device is turned on, you can make a payment. For security, Apple Pay does not store your actual card number on your device or on Apple servers. Instead, it uses a unique device account number to make payments. In the event that your device is lost or stolen, you can use the Find My iPhone feature to remotely suspend or remove the ability to make payments. With Apple Pay, by following these steps, you can easily use Apple Pay in store and enjoy the convenience of contactless payments.